got a body like a goddess, and she talks so sweet. It's like I can't believe I'm the one that she wanted. And if I'm really being honest, I know I could be everything she needs if she let me get on it. Yeah. So come here, baby, listen close, hold me tight, don't let me go. Girl, you know that I'ma want you all my life, but I got so much left to do, except for falling in love with you. So I'ma let you keep me up another time, but please don't stay the night. Don't try to change my mind, baby, please don't stay the night. I must do what's right. Don't make me ask you twice. Oh, don't stay the night.
So mag-update review tayo dito ngayon guys kay Rusi KRY 200. So na-review na natin yung color blue nito, I think last year, no? So this time 2023, i-review natin tong color orange. So meron siyang color combination guys, white, orange at saka black. So since marami nag-request na i-review naman daw itong si Rusi KRY 200 this 2023, ito na nga guys. So umpisa muna natin guys sa kanyang overall looks. Dito tayo sa headlight, ganun pa rin naman, same lang ng design nung dati. So dito guys, may decals dito na Super Power Rusi, ayan. And then at the same time, sa kanyang headlight, naka bulb type. And ganun pa rin naman guys, yung kanyang turn signal is naka LED pa rin, ayan. So mapapansin nyo guys, no, na talagang in-equip na talaga ni Rusi itong si KRY 200 sa modernization ngayon. Suspension na ginamit, ayan, naka-inverted siya guys. So, alam naman natin basta naka-inverted, napaganda ng play nito sa off-road. And yung kulay guys is silver, at saka may cover na din yung kanyang telescopic guys, no? O yung kanyang suspension, ayan. So, may nakalagay dito na Rusi. Plastic to guys. Tapos may decals na din, no? Nirap ng decals na may black, white, at saka orange combination, both left and right. And then, ayan, naka-spike siya. So, talagang pang off-road talaga tong motor na to. And, I highly recommend yung, kung if ever yung lugar nyo is talagang malulubak, bako-bako yung daan, mas maganda po itong gamitin si Rusi KRY kasi nga, intended tong motor na to sa off-road condition. Ayan. Dito tayo guys, sa braking system, single hydraulic disc brake with dual pot piston brake caliper. And yung tire size sa front guys is 2.75 by 18. Tube type pa rin tong isang to. Ayan. And of course, naka-spoke, no? Naka-dual color siya guys, matte black at saka yung parang silver. Ayan. So, dito tayo, banda sa kanyang side view. Ito po yung itsura niya guys, sa side. Sa mga nagtatanong regarding sa engine specs, ayan guys, pinapop out ko na sa screen. So, ayan, sa kanyang body fairings guys, naka-decals yan. Ayan, Rusi. Yung kulay niya dito guys is orange. Tapos, itong mahabang to is decals to hanggang dito. Tapos dito naka-decals din siya, pero ito is white na fairing. Ayan, decals din to. Matte black dito. And isa pa guys, pagdating naman sa seat, ayan, naka-rough na siya. So kapit na kapit po yung pantalon niya dito, no? Makakasa ka guys na hindi na mag-i-slip dito sa seat cover niya. Ayan, no? So, yung texture niya guys is talaga napaka-rough. Dito tayo guys sa kanyang manibela. Naked handlebar of course. And din dito sa grip, ayan, aggressive din po yung grip niya guys. Talagang pang off-road na off-road yung datingan. Levers is naka-silver, both left and right, clutch at saka brake lever. Dito naman, dashboard is naka-fully digital instrument panel. Rusi, ayan, sticker ni Rusi. And pagdating dito sa kanyang button at saka switches, may patayan ng ilaw guys. High beam, low beam, button, turn signal switch. Tapos yung kanyang horn, nandito. Ayan. Dito sa kabila, nandito yung kill switch off activated and hindi pa rin naman tinanggal yung kickstart. So, fuel tank capacity, ayan, nilalagay ko lang po sa screen. And pagdating naman po dito, ito po yung apakan ng driver, no? Aggressive din po yung kanyang forma, no? Ayan. So, kapit na kapit po yung sapatos nyo dito. Tapos, yung kanyang cambia. Ayan po yung kanyang cambia, guys. Naka matte black. Side stand, obviously, wala na pong center stand. Foot peg, pillion step. Monoshock, swing arm suspension yung ginamit guys. Color white yung monoshock niya, ayan. And pansin ko lang din, no, yayamanin din pala yung kanyang ano guys, yantas kasi naka color gold. Tapos yung swing arm niya guys is para naka dark silver, tapos may decals na KRY 200. So kung natatandaan nyo guys, na-review na natin yung KRY 150. So kung gusto nyo pong makapanood ng full review ko nun, i-check nyo lang po sa akin channel kasi na-review ko na po yun. And then at the same time, pagdating dito may chain cover na din, oh. Ayan, so black. Ayan, tas malaki yung kanyang sprocket dito. Ayan. So yung tire size naman niya sa likod guys ay 110 by 90 by 16. Tube type pa rin. And pagdating naman dito, ayan, may decals pa rin dito guys. So, ayan, orange. Tapos dito, plaka niya. And pagdating sa kanyang gulong dito guys, mas malaki yung gulong dito sa likod. Naka-spike din. So, talagang kapit na kapit to guys, no? Sa pang off-road na kalsada. Tambutso, ayan, meron na din cover ng side fairing para hindi mapasok yung angkas mo kung sasampa siya dito. Ayan, Rusi Euro 3. Meron po nakaukit dito. Braking system naman po dito, ginamit is, ayan, single hydraulic disc brake, single pot piston brake caliper. Yung swing arm niya, ayan guys, maganda po yung paint job. And then at the same time, pagdating dito, nandito yung foot peg ng angkas. Ayan. And galing dito guys, kitang-kita nyo po talaga yung engine niya, no? Ayan, hindi na po ito mahirap linisan. Ayan, no? Ayan. Tapos, ito yung frame niya, orange din yung color. Ayan. Foot peg. Ito, apaka ng driver. Same lang din ng design sa kabila. Napaka-aggressive din. Tapos, nandito yung kanyang brake pedal. Same lang din po sila. Parang may mga spike. Ayan. So, sa mga nagtatanong, siya po ay ayan, carb type pa rin. Tapos, may harang din po dito para hindi po mapaso yung driver. No? So, harang to guys. Para pag halimbawa pina-under to or tumatakbo to, pag uminit to, hindi po mapaso yung driver. Yan, metal po yung pangharang niya dito. Tapos, ayan guys, yung kanyang engine. And dito naman, ayan po yung itsura niya. Ayan. So, ayan guys, yung ating brief review at walkthrough dito kay Rusi KRY 200. So, kung interested po kayo dito sa motor na to guys, siya po ay merong SRP, ayan, 73,000 pesos kung bibili nyo ng cash. At syempre, meron din po siyang down payment na, ayan, 5,000 and monthly for 3 years na 3,325. At syempre, hindi mawawala yung kanya rebates na 300. So, itong motor na to guys ay bagay na bagay sa matatangkad kasi sa height ng 5'5", nakatipto po ako dito sa motor na to at bagay na bagay din po ito kung halimbawa yung lugar nyo is talagang alam nyo na, off-road. Ayan. And syempre kung gusto nyo naman ng motor na pang gaming lang, I think bagay na bagay din tong motor na to para sa inyo kasi siya po ay naka 200cc na. So kung may katanungan pa kayo guys regarding dito sa motor na to, i-comment nyo na lang sa baba or kung meron kayong violent reaction at meron kayong gustong idagdag. Anyway, ano lang naman to guys, quick review and walkthrough since na-review ko na to last year, yung color blue. So, itong motor na to guys is available dito sa Rusi, Salvacion, Panabo City. Lalagay ko na lang po yung full address nila, maging phone number nila sa description box ko sa baba para po makapag-inquire kayo regarding sa motor na to.
She got a body like a goddess, and she talks so sweet. It's like I can't believe I'm the one that she wanted. And if I'm really being honest, I know I could be everything she needs if she let me get on it. Yeah. So come here, baby, listen close, hold me tight, don't let me go. Girl, you know that I'ma want you all my life, but I got so much left to do, except for falling in love with you. So I'ma let you keep me up another time, but please don't stay the night. Don't try to change my mind, baby, please don't stay the night.